everyone, it's your girl Cosmix the Wonderland. I look a little crazy at the moment. I'm still enjoying my morning coffee. Today's YouTube video is going to be about my new wig. So yes, I just keep getting new wigs. I'm obsessed. I can't help it. It is long, straight hair for the most part, with bangs, black. As you know, I am going to have to recut the bangs because they're gonna be too long. I also made hair accessories last night. I wanted to show you guys this little bin here full of goodies. I made these. So we're gonna go ahead and get on with it. I'm gonna put my wig on. It is so long. It goes down to here. But as you can tell, the bangs are way too long. So, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I want swoopy bangs. That is my goal for these bangs. Is to have swoopy bangs because I love the look of that. This is gonna be like the wig that gives me my emo hair that I always wanted as a kid but wasn't allowed to have. I'm gonna accomplish this right now, one way or another, somehow. I'm trying to figure it out at this moment. Let me fiddle around with the bangs, get them set to a side that works before I start cutting, and I will be back once I start cutting. So I ended up brushing the bangs downward. They ended up being straight across, and what I did was I pushed them off to the side, and there was one long piece like this that did end up needing to go on this side. So I cut that off, and there's a little piece right here that I need to trim up. So I'm gonna do like that. That's good. Layer that out. Love it. Perfect. Okay, so I didn't have to do a whole lot to get the emo bangs that I always wanted as a kid. I got them, but now there's like a little tiny bump right here in the wig hair, so you can keep these up to 180 degrees. So I've got my hair straightener on the lowest heat setting, 180 degrees, and I'm slowly running that through to smooth it out. And we're almost done with this part. And we can move on to the hair accessories that I made. I can't wait to show you guys. All right, we're ready. Accessory time, let's go. So last night I ended up making these. There's tons of different ones. This is a panda. I made these by taking flatbacks and E6000 gluing bobby pins on it like this. That way when you put them in your wig cap, it literally just looks like there is a cute little thing in your hair. This is a mirror on the wall. This one is cute. It's a tiara. I want to wear this one. So I'm just gonna open it up like this and then put it right there like that, you know? And then, the bobby pin gets covered up and it's just a little tiara in my hair. I also made some on barrettes, glitter barrettes. This is a cactus. A cacti. I want to do this one. That is so cute. Look at this. I am getting the emo hair I always wanted. Look at this one. This is my favorite. This was my back in the day. Hot pink and black. Glitter. Skulls. Oh my god, I'm living for this. This is me. I'm trying to get it in the wig cap. Okay, it doesn't want to. Yes! Okay, what other ones? I have googly eyes. Sorry, this way. A donut. Coca-Cola bottle cap. I have Oreos. There's this Oreo here. And then, where's my other Oreo? Here it is. So cute. And this one's got a little bite taken out of it. Can you see the Oreo? Ooh, I think I almost found the perfect spot. Yes, Oreo. There we go, boom. Oreo with a bite taken out of it. Coca-Cola bottle cap. This is my Sailor Moon hairpin. My favorite one, for sure. Rose. There's an M&M one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed in my costume outfit of the day. Do my black lipstick, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look, but here is my bobby pins I chose to wear today in my hair. I made them. They're super cute. And I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip of my head to toe outfit now so you can see it right here. It really did turn out amazing. I'm getting the vibes of like a gothic Bratz doll. I love it. Everything about it. The shoes from Dolls Kill bring it all together for reals. And I love the hair. This is the type of hair I've always wanted. You know, that emo hair from back in the early 2000s. Yes, definitely yes. Like, now I have it. Dream come true. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, this goth girl will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!